Hey there my friends, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and today Sierra and I are bringing you another breakdown of one of our new songs. This one is our new warm-up. I love it. It's Levitate. It's like Dua Lipa. I'm probably totally saying that wrong. Anyways, check out the breakdown of the song and then we will go straight into the dance, and I'll put the time down below in the description if you just want to skip fast forward and dance with us. Alright guys, go be awesome. Alright guys, here we go. So part one, we're going to do the grapevine, but we're going to turn it. We're going to talk about it. So grapevine is 3 steps. So let's do a traditional grapevine. 1, 2, 3, right? Except this time we're going to turn it. When we do turning grapevines, you always turn the direction you're going, okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. Come all the way back over. Again, so we step, start to turn. That last step turns you around. All the weight is over on this side, lets your foot go free, yes? We're going to go step, touch, step, clap, clap. So let's put all that together. Turning grapevine. Do you have to turn? No. No. So if you want to stay facing, that's all you do. This is your dance party. Okay, so let's turn. 1, 2, 3, step, touch, double clap. Go step, turn, step with the touch, step, touch with the clap. Do it again. Oh, look at that clap. Oh, oh. Be still, my heart. I'm gonna hear that in class. Step, touch with the clap. Easy. V step. It's just like it sounds. We're gonna go out, in. 2 times on the left foot, 2 times on the right foot. So we go out, in, out. You switch your feet. Out, in, out, in. Now when you're ready to take your V step up a notch, just add some hips. So you go hip. Switch your feet. Out. You got it. All right. Because I like to just walk up and walk back because I feel spicy, we're going to walk up. Now stay right here. We're going to do a hip walk. So all you're doing is walking your feet, except you're going to go push. Now walk back. Walk, hip walk, push, bringing it up, hip walk, push, last time, back, hip walk, hip. Now keep your feet apart, and you're going to hear me say single, double. We're going to stop at the top of the head. So we're going to go single, double, single, double. Do it again. Single, double. One more time. Now same pattern with the shoulders. Lift them up. Go 1, 2, and a double. You can roll it back if it feels better. One more time. Okay, now the best part of the song. He goes left foot, right foot, but it's a double bounce for us. We're going to go left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Now we're back to the ribs. Single, double. Go 1, and 2. 1, and 2. That's it. We just kind of mix it up and put it in a bowl, and Jamie hopefully remembers the parts. Okay, here we go.
Billboard, baby, do a leap and make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for a dance floor to run on. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah. I got you, moonlight, greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting. Been fighting hard for your love and I'm running thin on my patience. Needing someone to hug, even took it back to the basics. You see what you got me out here doing? Might have threw me off, but can't nobody stop the movement. Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a Lipa with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leave when you fall, but you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. So you can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. So you can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, dance on our song. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, dance my ass off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Billboard, baby, do a leap and make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for